What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your YouTube channel using the YouTube Studio on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. Go ahead and open up the YT Studio, and here you want to click your picture in the upper right hand side. Here next to your name of the channel, you will see towards the right hand side a pencil. Click on that pencil, then this is going to take you right into the edits or the customization for your YouTube channel. So here you can go ahead and you can change image. If you want to tap on image here, you can tap on that and you can choose the image that basically will change the banner. You can go ahead and you can change your profile picture of your channel. That's basically the camera icon right over your profile picture. Tap on that and you'll be able to change your picture right from here. You also have the option to change the name. You can click these pencil icons toward the right hand side. That's going to change the channel name, also the handle. You also can play with the description. If you tap on that, you can change the description. You can also go ahead and add links. You can go ahead and do so much more. And that's it. Once you're finished, you'll be able to save, and that's going to allow you to edit or customize your channel details using your YT Studio on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone.